Keep it moving. That boy's windshield is hecka dark. I don't know where we're at. I don't know where we are. But there's a car behind us.
If you go left, if you keep on going straight, there's some gas.
Some gas? Oh! Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. Oh, there's gas right there. I guess we're going to the right. Look at that statue. What the fuck was that? This fool's crazy. Oh! I missed it. Sorry, tough guy. That's crazy. I hope no cop sees me. You better hurry up, boy. I got places to be. Look at this fool. Go! Go, 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 go. Oh my God, the slowest. The slowest. I thought I could turn right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, there's a bike over there. Ah! Oh my God! There he is! MT-10. That thing is fancy. Yeah. That's cool. I don't know. There's a biker. Oh, that's a cop. Left that biker in the dust. Yeah, boy. Okay, come on, dude. Pick a lane. Woo! His bike sounds so good. Ah, motherfucker. Fuck yeah, dude, that was sick. Damn. Alright, now I'm for sure lost. Whoa, stay there, lady. Oh, wait a damn second. This is PCP. Go ahead, lady. If you don't go, I'm gonna go. Did he make it? Did he make it? Where he at? There he is. Alright, we good, we good. Oh, that Prius is about to get over. Come on. Commit, bro. Is that a cop? That sounded like a wheelie. Excuse me. What are we waiting for? Damn! That was a good ass wheelie. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna give that guy a ride. Whoa, 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 buddy. That guy was about to run across the street. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yo, this boy is flying right now. Or just, well, we're here now. There's a plane. My brother, I cannot see past this. You're good. That's cool. He made it. This man is crazy. That's not a cop, is it? Where's boy at? Yes, sir! sir. Oh my God, this road is bad. Oh my God, he's got to pee. Where can we pee at? That's somebody's house. Not there. You're right here. I guess we'll pull over there. I don't like this. This is a little bit sketchy.
I'm about to piss myself.
Oh, looking all nice and dirty. There you go. Who's barking over there? Look at this fool. Missing screw, missing screw, missing screw. Messed up seat. Fucked up shit.
I'm poor.
He's poor. That, whatever that is.
You did that.
I didn't do nothing.
You did that.
Now it's fucked up.
Fucked up.
Fucked up. It's okay. Who's this guy? He just wave at us? Probably.
Damn, that shit for another place.
Yeah, he did. Oh. Ah, see, they watch out. Let's see. Ah, see, this person did too. Thanks, buddy. What a
Big head.
That's fucked up. I was trying to be nice.
I'm not. Hopefully a car.
Hopefully a car does hit you.
Fucked up.
What?
Alright, where we going?
I don't know. This is it. This is River Road. There's a duck over there.
A duck?
He's flopping in the water.
Go get him.
Yeah, I'll go get him. I'll do that.
Go get him.
I kind of want an energy drink.
Huh?
Want an energy drink.
Me too. I was gonna get one at the gas station, but
I was also gonna get one. Well, let's go find a gas station. Dude, I fucking hate wearing these gloves because I keep trying to check my watch.
oh.
But it's all the way in here.
Going back that way?
Yeah, let's go that way. Why am I in B mode? Go to A. A's for racers, because I'm a racer. I like to go fast. Oh! 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 What is rattling? Oh my God, that's loud. That's a fucking dog! What the fuck was that? That's crazy. What is that? Oh my God, it's cold! Alright, why are we still behind this car? Well, I can't see. This fool's leaving me. I ain't even got my gloves on. Are we going through Fruit Ridge? Alright, I guess I'll just go. When the fuck did those all get there? I've never seen those. That's crazy. Oh my God, he's still there. This guy. That's crazy. I better see a fucking wheelie. Come on. That cop's busy. Oh my God, I'm a fucking idiot. I'm gonna fucking drop my phone if I keep putting it in that pocket. Yes sir, that was a good one. There's an old ass man in that car. I could get it up higher now. This person's getting closer. See, he gets so close to me. Motherfucker got me. Ah, that's a cop too. Another Mustang. Lame Mustang. Oh my God, we're going so slow. That exhaust is so loud. I can't tell. Is that cop still behind us? I don't want to check and make us look suspicious. I'm gonna check. I can't tell. None of them waved back.
4 people didn't wave back.
Did the mailman?
The mailman was like,
Damn. Oh, look at him, so sweet. You see that? I'm gonna just pull up all the way in here. I don't know if this is allowed, but it's gonna happen. Ugh. I gotta pee. What the heck?